The girlfriend of Broncos wide receiver Jeudy wants the charges against him dropped. Jeudy appeared in Arapahoe County Courthouse this morning after his arrest yesterday. Jeudy was held overnight on charges for criminal tampering with a domestic violence enhancer. Deputies say they arrested him after a fight with his girlfriend. Court documents say he locked her wallet, their daughter's medical paperwork, and baby formula in his car. His girlfriend asked the judge to dismiss the charges. She says she never felt threatened. Jeudy's lawyer, Harvey Steinberg, said that making him spend a night in jail was extreme.
There's no violence. The judge made a specific finding. There was no threat of violence, there was no attempted violence, and there was no violence, period. I think it was extreme because I don't believe a crime has been committed. I don't believe my client did anything that would rise to the level of a crime.
Well, let's talk to our Broncos insider, Mike Kliss, with us this afternoon to talk about the football ramifications. So, Mike, with what we learned today, heard today in court, what is your sense as far as any potential discipline for Jeudy from the team or from the league?
Well, first of all, it has to play out. The league initially didn't care about the verdicts in court and would impose its own penalty. On domestic violence, by the way, under the personal conduct policy, there is a 6-game suspension as a baseline. And that came as a result of the Rice incident a few years ago. I don't think it'll get anywhere close to that. There still may be a game or two, but we'll have to see. If the case is dismissed, and there's some possibility of that after what Kim said, the victim testifying in court that she didn't think this would lead to an arrest. She just wanted the situation monitored from the police. So if it's dismissed, I don't think he'll get suspended at all. If it does lead to something where the judge and the district attorney want to pursue this further, then there's a chance of maybe a game or two. But again, no violence. I think it's a kind of an extenuating exception, if you will, in this. I don't think there'll be much punishment from the league.
All right, we'll continue to follow that. Now, in some ways, this is a first test for a first-time head coach, Nathaniel Hackett, as far as handling off-field issues. He did talk about it today. What did he have to say?
First of all, he spoke face-to-face with Jeudy, which, I think is good. You need, when something like this happens, and let's remember, guys, Jeudy is 23 years old. And remember how young and some of the mistakes we made at that particular age. But, Hackett did sit down Jeudy. His message was learn from it, make sure it doesn't happen again. But he and the rest of the organization are going to support him. One thing the Broncos try to do is kind of treat the problem, not the symptom. The symptom was he was arrested. The problem is, you get down to deeper issues about, treating women, how to handle conflict, those type of things. And I think that's what they'll try to do with Jeudy here going forward.
Okay, well, that's another angle that we'll be following as well. Yeah. Mike, we appreciate you joining us. We'll see you with more coming up at 5 o'clock. Thanks.